Oh, sorry guys, you cut me off there. So what I meant to say for part I, the answer was obviously 27. For part II, a factor of 90. So a number or a set of numbers that goes into 90 cleanly with no remainder. So write it as like a factor pair. So 1 and 90. Okay, because 1 times 90 is 90. 2 and 45. 3 and 30. 30 isn't on our list, so 30 is going to be a factor of 90 because 30 goes into 90 exactly 3 times cleanly with no remainder. Okay, of course, there are more factors if you're wondering. You got 5 and 18, you got 6 and 15, 7 doesn't go into it, 8 doesn't go into it, 9 goes into it 10 times, and there'll be a factors of 90. Part II, a square number, so it's made by multiplying a number by itself. So we have 1 squared, which is 1 times 1, which is 1. 2 squared, which is 2 times 2, which is 4. 3 squared, which is 3 times 3, which is 9. 4 squared, which is 4 times 4, which is 16. 5 squared, which is 5 times 5 is 25. Okay, so 25 is a square number because 5 times 5 makes 25, or 5 squared equals 25. Okay, it means 5 times 5, which is 25. Okay, and the square root of 25 will be equal to 5. Okay, next up, part IV or part 4, the square root of 576. So I'm going to type into my calculator the square root of 576. Okay, so I finally got myself here a new calculator. Obviously, it's one of the basic ones. Okay, so yeah, square root of 576. Press equals, and I get, or execute, and I get 24. Okay, finally part V, a prime number. A prime number is a number that has explicitly two distinct factors, one in itself. Okay, just to be clear guys, yeah, itself does not mean one. So two factors, one in itself. Okay, one is not a problem again, yeah, just to be clear. Okay, so which of these numbers here has exactly two factors? Well, that would be the number 29. Okay, because 29 has two factors, which are 1 and 29. Okay, hence making 29 a prime number. Okay, and that is how, okay, we work with types of numbers. Okay, so make sure that you're happy with multiples, factors, square numbers, square roots, cube numbers, cube roots, prime numbers, okay, etc. Okay, because this will come into play here when we start looking at some slightly more challenging topics like product of prime factors, powers, laws of indices, etc. So make sure that you're happy with your multiples, factors, square numbers, cube roots, square roots, prime numbers, etc. Because they'll play a big part, okay, in GCSE maths in many different areas and subtopics. Thank you.